Hi, today we are going to see demo for Speed Saver Ambulance PHP web application. First open the XAMPP control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database tables, data on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio, explore the ambulance folder, then you can view the addressing files and the source code. Then open the readme text file. Here you can view the login details and the browser URL code. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now you can see the Speed Saver Ambulance web application. It serves three roles: user, admin and driver. First go to the admin login. Enter the admin Gmail ID and password. Now login successfully. Now you can see the admin homepage. First go to the create ambulance. Here admin will be add a new ambulance details on this page. So enter the ambulance hospital name, then driver name, mobile number and city. Select the ambulance type. Then assign a driver email ID. Then select the status. Then click on the submit. Next go to the update ambulance. Here you can view the ambulance details on this page and then you can view the ambulance available status. Then admin will be update and delete the ambulance details. Let's go to the add driver. Here admin will be assigning a driver details. So register the so enter the driver details and then click on the register. Next go to the view driver. Here you can view the driver details and admin will be update and delete. Next go to the booking. Here you can view the user booking and you can see the status. Then go to the work login. Here you can see the driver work reports and then you can see the work status included time and date. Next we will move for the user login. We have to sign up. Go to the sign up and register the user detail. Enter your name, email ID, then password. Give your mobile number, address and city. Then click on the register. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character and then 8 digits of length. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the user homepage. Now we can see the user homepage. First go to the booking. Here you can see the available ambulance details. Then if you booking, you can see the two category of booking, emergency and non-emergency. Then you will select to book the ambulance. Give the customer number and the pickup address, then click on the submit. Let's go to the my booking. Here you can see your booking status and you will be see the driver contact detail. Then call to reach driver. Then go to the update map. Here you can Update your current location. Drag and drop to the red bubble. Then click on the update geo map. Now location is updated. Let's go to the nearby hospital. Here you can see our nearby hospitals on this page. Next we will move for the driver. Enter the email ID and password. Now driver homepage is login. It's our two modules. First go to the ambulance status. Here you can view the ambulance details on this page, and then driver will be update the available status. Next go to the booking status. Here you can see the user booking details. Then see the booking type. Then update the booking status. Next click on the show map. Here you can see the user location. That's the whole Speed Saver Ambulance PHP web application.